are on the pole position of artificial intelligence, well equipped with knowledge about chaos theory. My name is the Strange Attractor, and I'm dealing with art, science and philosophy. What you just saw was the title image of the Fractal Art Calendar 2023. And we adore artificial intelligence. The title image has been stitched together by Stable Diffusion. The script for stitching those together can be downloaded on the GitHub page. As well, we use another script to animate those transformations you see on the beginning. So, what can you expect from a fractal calendar? A fractal calendar like ours is covering a huge area of variety and possible techniques to create fractal art. So, when you get the calendar, you will see images like this one. And this image has been created by Andreas Maschke and is showing artificial intelligence created mushrooms. Andreas Maschke has been in the calendar last year as well, since he is the author of the Wildfire software. The Wildfire software basically visualizes strange attractors. And as said before, a strange attractor does not look like me. I'm just called the Strange Attractor. Other than that, he adores artificial intelligence as well. And why do we think artificial intelligence is so nice and so cool for us fractalists? Because it's applied chaos theory. It is still a deterministic system. And especially when you examine the fluctuations in current artificial intelligence systems, you will encounter soon that they will behave like chaotic systems. This is a theory of mine, but I will keep tracking this and will inform you when some other people confirm. So, take your chance, get the calendar now. See you in next issue. When you are leaving. What are you waiting for? Just for the animations again? Okay. So, enjoy. See you next video.